All right, everybody, it is epic meal time. If it fits your macros style refeed day. It's Friday, just busted legs with my good buddy Brandon Cass, aka C4. Very good workout today. Did a lot of high reps with some pretty decent weight. I only threw up twice, so we're doing good. On the way home, I had my protein shake and a little bit of dextrose in it. Waited about, it's been about an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my refeed meal in. So I had my protein source came from eggs. I went ahead and got those taken care of. And I needed to get 300 grams of carbs. Now for this meal and my next meal, I get a total of 300 grams of carbs in each one, keeping the fat a little bit low. So instead of having all my carbs in one giant refeed, shitting my pants and taking a coma nap, old man nap, whatever you want to call it, I decided to split them up a little bit, so I don't have time for a nap today, unfortunately. So what consists of my refeed meal today? Well, of course, we all know you gotta have Peeps. This is the most anabolic food on the face of the planet. There's nothing more anabolic than Peeps. Not growth hormone, not insulin, not test, not the D-ball or the Anadrol. None of that. This is the most anabolic. Puts 500 pounds on your bench in 3 days. Try it. All right, so we got the Peeps. Toasted up 2 of my blueberry waffles. Love the blueberry waffles. And then I'm going to finish it all off with my sherbet ice cream. So all these, the 2 blueberry bagels, the ice cream, and 10 Peeps comes up to exactly, I think it's 294 grams of carbs. So I'm a little bit short, but we'll take care of that on the next one. So that's it in a nutshell. We'll go eat this, and I probably will end up going into a slight coma. You gotta love those carb comas. So, all right. So remember, if it fits your macros,